ready, guys. It's time to go into overdrive. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Yopple Bot. A fully automated, extremely polite robot developed by Yopple, capable of responding to any command. It has been known to go on a odd rampage, but that's all part of his charm. Okay. Okay, let's get started. There we go.
Dude, your robot just spilled water all over his circuitry. He's freaking out. Destruction mode engaged. Uh-oh, that's not good. I am robot, feel my wrath.
Now, let's see.
Laser eyes and lightning blaster bow before your new master.
Now we just have to draw the other eye here.
Awesomeness. He's got swagger. He's got moves. When it comes to robot, I approve.
Now we just have to draw this part here. Now we just draw this part here. That's his horn. I always knew there was something evil about that robot.
Again when the sun is bright.
There we go. There's his mouth here. Now we just draw his jaws here. He's in, as we all know, he's in eliminator mode. Pretty awesome, boss. Well, what do you say to that? Okay, that's odd, but worth a shot. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Now we just draw the antennas here. There's his antenna.
Please do the dishes, robot. Clean up the floor, then wake up Grandpa Lemon because he's starting to snore. Give everyone complimentary bees. Organize.
There we go.
DVDs. Stockpile on my TNT. Now detonate it all with expertise. Robot keeps me safe from everything tonight. Tucks me in with the robot brain and hits the lights. He makes sure that all is alright.
There we go.
Wakes me up again.
There's the line here.
Dude, your robot just spilled water all over his circuitry. He's freaking out. Destruction mode engaged.
Now we just draw his fingers here.
Robot, feel my wrath. Destroying all that's in my path. Laser eyes and lightning blaster bow before your new master.
There we go. There's his finger, his hands.
Awesomeness. He's got swagger. He's got moves. When it comes to robot, I approve. Robot destroys everything that's inside. The fridge, the stove, Spencer Grove, and his can of Sprite.
There we go.
He shows up when it's time to fight. Blows up everything until the morning light. Robot keeps me safe from everything tonight. Tucks me in with the robot brain and hits the lights. He makes sure that all is alright. Wakes me up again when the sun is bright.
There we go. There's his body here. There's his square. Man, Yopple Bot is one tough guy. I wonder when he'll show up in the show. I wish he could show up in the show if they didn't have to cancel it. Sheesh. I wish it would... as we all know, most anime shows always end with happy endings, but I'm not sure when we're gonna see that happy ending. We're not sure when we're gonna see Yopple Bot in action in the actual anime. I don't know how he's gonna inspirit people, but we'll find out soon. Until then, Alexa, play it again. I said, Alexa, play it again. Stupid robots. Ugh, dumb thing. Alexa, what is a robot?
As a noun, robot can have a few meanings. 1. A machine that resembles a human and does mechanical, routine tasks on command. 2. A person who acts and responds in a mechanical, routine manner, usually subject to another's will, automaton. 3. Any machine or mechanical device that operates automatically with human-like skill.
Okay, the next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his tentacles up here. Those are his extra 4 arms. It's always in danger level 5. Let's see. Huh. I wonder what's going on upstairs. Maybe Dad came home from his work trip again. Okay. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There's his blaster. There we go.
Robot, listen to my wishes. Robot, please do the dishes. Robot, clean up the floor, then wake up Grandpa Lemon cause he's starting to snore. Give everyone complimentary bees. Organize my DVDs.
Now we just draw this part here.
Now detonate it all with expertise. Robot keeps me safe from everything tonight. Touch me in with the robot grin and hits the light.
Now we just draw this swirly thing here.
Sure that all is alright. Wake me up again when the sun is
There we go.
bright.
Now for the other cannon.
Dude, your robot just spilled water all over his circuit.
Sorry about the tentacles here.
Destruction mode engaged.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
I am robot, feel my wrath. Destroy all that's in my path. Laser eyes and lightning blaster. Bow before and for new master.
Here's a tip when dealing with Yopple Bots. Be sure, when you see those left, right, up, and down signs,
Everything that's inside.
make sure to press the pin onto that thing. That's what allows Yopple Bots to either go up, or down, or left, or right.
Blows up everything.
To show you, here's the arrows for you.
Robot keeps me safe from everything tonight. Touch me in with the robot grin and hits the lights. He makes sure that all is alright. Wakes me up again when the sun is bright.
There we go. Now, finally, we're just gonna draw his fingers here. There we go. Let's see if we can deal with this guy. Oh, I didn't know he could do. Okay. Alexa, play Terminator.
I couldn't find any enabled video skills that can do that.
Great.
Go to the Alexa app to manage your video skills and devices.
Sorry about that, folks. There we go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Thanks. Here we go.
Robot, listen to my wishes. Robot, please do the dishes. Robot, clean up the floor, then wake up Grandpa Lemon cause he's starting to snore. Give everyone complimentary bees. Organize my DVDs. Stockpile on my TNT. Now detonate it all with expertise. Robot keeps me safe from everything
There we go.
tonight.
And And done. There we have his cocket gun. Make sure to draw the handlebar in his fingers. And there. That's how you draw a Yopple Bot. Pretty awesome, huh?
Dude, your robot just spilled water all over his
Now that's an awesome mechanic. Now this is the best time. Hold on, let me start over. Now this is the best kind of mechanical machinery I've ever seen. If you ask me, robots are like the best. Especially Terminator, Transformers, the ones you see at the mall, especially the ones that have a really cool open-in-mouth face.
Decepticons will crush the Autobots. No one can defeat Starscream.
You too, Starscream, you too. So anyways, who do you think is your favorite robot? And which kind of machine would be the strongest in battle? What's your favorite appliance? And what's your favorite type of robots to play with? What kind of robot do you want to see in battle? And who do you think can be the strongest robot? It could be Plex from Yo Gabba Gabba, or Ricky the Robot from Wally Kazam, or possibly ML or Metal Sonic, or possibly the Mectagon like Zenthon or Dragonoid Destroyer, or Metalhead, Mectavius Destroyer, Fugitoid. Any robot would do, as long as they don't turn evil on ya. If you ask me, Yopple Bot might be the only yokai that makes those he inspirits. He makes robots turn evil. Basically, that's the reason why appliances go awry, especially when there's a virus involved. So, I can't wait to see him in Yokai Watch. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe. And I'll be sure to tell you guys when the robot apocalypse begins. Especially when Gregory, the robot, appears. Until next time, why don't you watch this video about when the next robot apocalypse will begin. This is how Yopple Bot functions.
Danger level 5. Eliminator mode activated. Delete, 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 delete.
Well, that was a really scary video. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I forgot to tell you about Yopple Bot. After you defeat him in the game, you'll get this special yokai vacuum cleaner. It's called the Yokai Vac, and you can only get them in this game. Here's the view here. Can't unlock them right now, but you get the idea. Remind me that I have to draw them in one of my videos. Okay, I'll see you guys again soon. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.